Today I'm cooking a simple stir-fried tofu with ginger. This is quick, easy, delicious, and suitable for a vegetarian meal. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 400 grams of firm tofu, 80 grams of ginger cut to strips, 45 grams of spring onion cut into 1.5 inch in length, 60 grams of Chinese parsley cut into 1.5 inch in length, 100 grams of wood ear mushroom, 150 ml of water, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 4 cloves of garlic chopped, 1 tablespoon of goji berries, half tablespoon of tapioca flour, quarter teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, half teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine or Chinese cooking rice wine. The full list of ingredients is in the CMO link. Add 25 ml of water into tapioca flour. Mix until the flour dissolves. Leave aside. Next, cut each block of firm tofu into 9 to 12 bite-sized pieces. Okay, the tofu is all cut and ready. Let's cook. Switch on the heat, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil into the pan and wait for it to get hot. This takes about 1 minute. When the oil is hot, add the garlic. Stir fry and cook for about 1.5 minutes or until crispy and golden brown. After 1.5 minutes, the garlic is ready. Remove it from the pan and leave it aside. With a bit of oil and crispy garlic left in the pan, add in the ginger strips. Stir fry for 20 seconds. The ginger will be coated in oil, softening slightly. Add the wood ear mushroom, cut tofu, pepper, light soy sauce, and sesame oil. Stir and mix for about 20 seconds or until all ingredients and seasonings are well combined. Add in 125 ml of water. Next, add in the white stems of the spring onions, the stems of Chinese parsley. Cover the pan and simmer for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, rotate the ingredients to cook them evenly. Add in goji berries. Cover the pan and continue to simmer for 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, the ingredients are well cooked and there is a bit of gravy in the pan. Give it a taste. Delicious. More seasoning can be added if preferred. For me, it's enough. Add the tapioca flour mix and stir to thicken the gravy. Now the gravy's consistency is thick and velvety. Switch off the heat. Next, add the Shaoxing wine, spring onion, Chinese parsley, and crispy fried garlic. Leave some for garnishing. Stir a little to mix and soften the spring onion and Chinese parsley. And the simple stir-fried tofu with ginger is ready. Let's dish it out. Sprinkle with the balance of crispy fried garlic. It can be enjoyed on its own or with rice. Let's eat. Very delicious. It's very fragrant. The tofu is tasty and firm. The ginger gives a little heat and the mushrooms are chewy. It's perfect with rice. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somthit. Thank you and bye-bye.